What up? What up, what up, what up? It's good, Zach. How you doing? Fuck, so I meant to look at something for you. No, I did respond. Fucking, why is this so low? Shit. Shit off. How are we all? Thank you very much for the likes, Mr. Oliveira Burner. Ooh. And a few more tier 2s. What do we got today? So now I've got to redo it onto the VPS. Yeah. Yep. Use my affiliate link if you can. I think I've made like $30 off of that, so it helps. But yeah, and if you need more assistance, because it can be a little bit of a fuck around, just let me know, and I shall assist further. Alright, we'll hit that. Not hitting that. That's kind of all we got. Probably won't hit that. 100k likes. I don't reckon. Love you too, Tommy. What do we got? 80. No, fucking get out of my face. How many more do we need for a tertuila day? Oh, Lord. I don't hit that till maybe Friday, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. What can you do? Anyway, how are we all? Good evening. What do I want to look at? I want to look at US dollar yen anyway, but this might be good for you too, Speedy, because I'm in few positions. On US dollar yen. I'm gonna adjust some settings. I did some back testing last night. Sorry, my fucking chest is fucked. Gotta look pretty. Yeah, I did quite a bit of back testing last night. And I want to change up some settings. Why is my hair being annoying? Might be time for the hat. Good evening. Are you trading in Bitcoin? No. I have a bit of Bitcoin, but no. Drawdown has come back a bit. Good. I mean, I guess we've had this little push up here. I presume we'll get back up to yesterday's low at some point. Again, I don't know where yours is at, but yesterday's low would be a good target to get up to. We do have big news tomorrow. So, oh fuck, no music, my bad. Sorry guys. My chest is, I've been coughing fucking shit up for like all last night. I was coughing shit up, so sorry if I'm coughing a lot today. Oh shit. Oh. Ew, I do not like that. Yes, we got unemployment, PMI for the euro, sorry, and PMI for the pound. So there will be probably quite a bit of movement, slightly, pretty much as expected for unemployment. So we'll see. And if we get a drop in PMI, we'll see. Just gotta wait and see what happens. Week's already done. What up, Matt? Yeah. What is this music? No. Mood. We want like chill. Peaceful, maybe? That'll do, whatever. Yeah, how's your day yesterday, Matt? What up, Michelle? How are we? Thank you very much again for the 20,000 fucking likes yesterday. That was fucking absolutely insane. We hit 100K before 2 hours. It was just fucking, never seen some shit like that before. How many hours a day do you trade? 1 to 3. I need euro to drop and US dollar to increase. We'll see. We shall see. Barely hit. Really? Is it good now? You can hear me? You do Forex? Yes. Mando. I do. You're welcome? Yes. Thank you very much. You straight out? Okay, cool. Just let me know if it's fucked or not, and I shall deal with it. 4.6 already. Fucking Christ, you guys doing so good with the likes these days. US all Swiss. Have a look. I mean, no surprise there. So, with what I presume, bit of money coming into Swiss and yen due to safe havens because of this, Israel plans to attack Iranian nuclear facilities. That is not good. We do not want that to fucking happen. We really don't want that to happen. So we don't need more wars. I'm still glad I'm not trading any fucking Swiss pairs besides pound Swiss and US dollar yen, but we will most likely see, if talks about that continues, we'll most likely see a bit more movement coming into the Swiss as people pile their money into the safe haven currencies. And the yen. Although the yen isn't particularly acting too much like a safe haven currency at the moment, you're still going to see a little bit of money coming into them. So, yeah. But anyway, US dollar Swiss. What time frame are we looking at? I mean, that kind of act around here, I guess it's somewhat similar. We might just get a little bit of a profit take move off of that and then come back down to these lows. We've also got this point down here that is a point of interest. I don't think we'll get down to here. Very highly doubt that. Depends how bad things get, but it really depends on your time frame. Michelle, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate that. So we'll see. 30-minute buys. It's a tough one with Swiss. It's a very tough one. I can definitely see if there's more talks about an attack, we will see down here, most likely. We will see movement shit. I need my little pen. Where's my pen? Get this up here. Get my fucking pen over here. We will see most likely moves like, I mean, down to these areas down here. Because, yeah, they'll just be piling money in. Sorry guys, I'm very coffee. Chest is fucked today and yesterday. How do you get into day trading in Australia? OMG, coming from the UK, it's really restricted here. It's really restricted here too. It's really restricted here, the ASIC. I know in the UK they're very similar restrictions, but you can find brokers that allow you to have a little bit more leverage, which is what I do. I don't go too crazy, like still regulated brokers. That's why I use black bull markets, as you get 1 to 500 leverage with them for Forex, and I think it's 1 to 100 for indices as well. So that's why I choose them, and they're regulated with multiple different authorities. So just literally the best option you can possibly go for in Australia, and they are based in New Zealand. So basically Australia. You trading in Australia? Yep. Low-key thought this was Dangerfield at first. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I thought, yeah, I would like to know too. Oh, there you go. With good margins with CFDs. Yeah. What is leverage? It's basically brokers allow you to have larger position sizes, essentially. It's like sort of borrowed money, sort of not. I've got a whole video on it on YouTube, on my beginner's course. What's it called again? I'm going to Google it. Black bull markets. So if I'll quickly explain it. Let's say you have a 1 to 10 leverage, and you put $1,000 in. You actually have $10,000 worth of buying power, right? And brokers do this to attract more clients. They know that the majority of people are going to lose their money anyway, and using leverage, they're probably going to lose it a lot quicker. And when you lose money, brokers make money, because a lot of the brokers tend to take the opposite positions to what most retail traders take, because the statistics are everybody loses. 95%. It varies, but around 70 to 95% of traders lose money. What's it called? Thank you very much for following me on top. US brokers are a pain. Yeah, dude, I was feeling for you. I had a look around. I couldn't find shit. I couldn't find shit. So you end up with forex.com. What, I believe, if I can remember, what sort of leverage do you get with them? I can't type. I hate typing facing this way and typing that way. It throws me off all the time. I only get 30 to 1 from what it seems. 30 to 1's not enough. Not for our strategy. You need more. You need more, or you need to restrict your pairs to only a couple. Yeah, 30 to 1's not enough. If 50 to 1's better, it just says 30 to 1 here, I don't know. Okay, 51, yeah. Okay, that's better, but you're just gonna have to restrict the amount of pairs that you trade, which is okay, but yeah, you don't want to get margin called. So just keep that in mind. I'll talk to you about that a little bit later. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'll type it in here. I have an affiliate link if you want to use it. I've made $0 off of it and people have signed up with it, but I mean, they like when I bring fucking clients in or whatever. Honestly, their affiliate program is absolutely fucking terrible. They're one of the worst affiliate programs you can possibly get, but they're allowed to do that because they're so good, which is fucking annoying. Val's Sugar Fix. Thank you very much for following me. Appreciate that. And Inner Health Plus. Thank you very much for sharing as well. Thank you. Really appreciate that. All good. Cake to cakes. Actually, the links are in my fucking bio, I'm pretty sure. If you just wanted... I think the links are in my bio. No, it's not. I'm going to have to add that link to my bio. Yeah, you can demo trade. Lost 500 today, but came back and made 750. Nice. Good job. I'm going to add that to my link tree. So I can fucking... Jesus, I don't know what my fucking username and shit is for this. I don't know what it is. I'll do it later. Oh well. I got fucking Discords and shit. Mentorship, whatever. It's all linked. Hey, I'll check in you. Okay, cool. All good. We're chilling. Fuck yeah. They're my favorite. I went and bought some yesterday. So good. They got a white monster equivalent. So good. So fucking good. Chat, how he day trade. I get that a lot. Oh yeah, the sun is completely down. Last time I looked over there, sun was up. Oh, it was still somewhat up. They got a new cola flavor too. Yeah, the cola flavor's okay. How you doing on that? Who was in here before saying they're in 30 minute? Curious to know where his TP is. Fucking hell. Where is it? This rows are black. Yeah. Mundo. I'd just target here, to be honest, and get the fuck out. I don't know where your shit is. What's funny? Goddess of Lightning. Viewers gone as, yeah, bro, it's pretty good. I love sunsets and all that shit. Sunset's right there. It's like there, city's there. It's fuck, bro. Man, love it. Although you get used to it. How long have you been trading for? Almost 5 years. 4.5 to 5 years. You sleep, alright, yeah. Cakey Cakes, thank you very much for following. I want to sleep and trade like you. It's not that hard. Just get stuck inward. It is not that difficult. Actually, that's a fucking lie. It takes time. How embedded are we on this? Very. I'm in this. No, I'm not. I'm in pound Swiss. I bet you any fucking money I'm in pound Swiss. I'll just go yesterday's high. We are bumping off of yesterday's low and all of this resistance turned support potentially, hopefully. And then hopefully we can just get back up to yesterday's high, although I would not be surprised if we get some rejection off of yesterday's low. This little zone here. Which might be annoying, but if we shoot down, that doesn't matter. Just get it again, and then probably target last week's low. And then get out there. That should be fun. Not stressed. Jimmy Washington, thank you very much for following me. Appreciate that. Bro, what about gold? What about it? I don't trade gold. Yeah. I don't trade gold. How much you start with, and how did you start with a course, YouTube, self-taught, all of the above. I was demo for almost 2 years, and then I put in 20K, and I never blew it. And yeah, I started self-teaching, and then I did a few mentorships, a few courses, because, you know, I got sucked into the whole Lamborghini lifestyle and all that shit, and it's a lie. It's all a lie. No one knows what the fuck they're doing. So I ended up finding a mentor, later down the track that actually knew what he was doing, but that was a year and a half into my journey. And he kind of showed me the light. And then that was almost 3 years ago, 3.5 years ago. Do you use stochastic oscillator? I use the RSI, which is an oscillator. It's not a stochastic. Hold on. I don't know if you're in here, Zach. I'm just going to respond to your message real quick. Juan Zay, thank you very much for following. Hold on, I gotta piss really bad. I'll be back. And it's fucking hot in this thing. But I'm keeping it on because I look like a fucking swag master. So the aircon's going on. What the fuck is this? Why is it so quiet? I'm gonna flare. I'm gonna do it. You guys are making me. Lol, what's funny? Woman? Hello, Sienna. How are we? Looking fucking fantastic. I'm in Brisbane. That's good to hear. I'm fantastic. Feel good. Feel good, look good. Who can complain? Not you guys, because you have to look at me. Fuck, my lungs. Frizzy shared the live. Thank you very much, Frizzy. What websites are the best for day trading? Well, website-wise, I use two. Financial Juice and Forex Factory. I've been using... Sienna, no! Stop doing that! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Don't make me fucking turn off the sharing. That's too much. Stop it. Stop. I actually can't. Stop it. I use... Fucking hell. I use... Yeah, Forex Factory, which shows you when, you know... Oh, fuck. Red and orange ticket news coming out, like high and medium impact news. You can put on low impact news as well, but there's just so much garbage to go through in here that doesn't really do anything to the market. So I turn that shit off and just do medium and high impact, which a lot of the time medium impact doesn't really do much either unless it's like a catastrophic number, but yeah, it's good to know anyway. Yep. That probably won't let me do it. And then Financial Juice has the same. You'll have to make an account for this, but it's free. You're just gonna put like your email in or whatever. But this shows anything that, you know, even if it'll show the major news events and what sort of impact it's had on the market, specifically like, you know, the UK CPI. If there's a change in the markets or whatever and there's a big impact, it'll pop it up there, as well as when someone's talking, you know, China urges US to correct its improper actions immediately, you know, shit like that. And if it's gonna impact the market a lot, like Israel plans to attack Iranian nuclear facilities, that's going to pop up here as well. And obviously you can see that had quite a large impact on crude oil. So yes, and I'll pin these both. I don't know why it says not approved. I don't know if they got pinned or not, but yeah, there you go. Trump or not Trump? Well, I think he's a net positive, but he's doing some weird shit. Or he's done some weird shit, but I believe he's not dumb and he knows what he's doing. So this guy will be out shortly, hopefully. What up, Sleepy? How are we? Did I pop the flare? What the fuck? Yeah, I did. Cool. Let's get some people up in here. 26,000 fucking likes. Who's popping off? Who's popping off? Charles Oliveira Burner got to 5K. Ada! I don't think I've ever seen you before in here. 5K. Meegsy, 3.7. Zach, 1.7. Goddess of Lightning, 1.5. Whiskey Beads, 500. Speedy, 200. Sienna, 100. Fucking hell, you guys are going crazy. Thank you. Thank you. Good brother, not bad. That's good to hear. Good to hear. Man, I'm always popping off. Fuck yeah. We love that. Ada, I swear I've never seen this person in here. I can't even see them. Gotta hit the 50 piece, yeah. I can't even see this person on my shit. I don't know who the fuck they are. Oh shit, I haven't even looked at YouTube. Oops. Who the fuck is... Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Stop opening that. TikTok. I don't know who the fuck that is, to be honest. And it doesn't even say that they're in here. Random. Who are you? What? I don't think I've ever seen you in here. Oh, no, I've seen this profile picture before. I've definitely seen that before. Just not very talkative, I guess. Sienna, stop it. Oops. Why oops? What happened? April spritz? April spritz? Secret admirer, that's who, yeah, apparently. I mean, who wouldn't want to be my secret admirer? Alright, what are we looking at? Motherfuckers? What are we talking about? Yeah, but who are you sharing it to? No one. 30k likes this early. It's fucking insane. Absolutely fucking insane. That be me, but you made an oopsie. Who are you? What'd you do? What? I'm confused. I'm so confused. You've been here. Fucking lungs. I'm so confused. So confused. Are you Arda? Well, I don't even know what you're talking about. I got fucking no idea. What song? I don't know, guys. I don't know what the fuck you guys are talking about. What up, Inner Health Plus? Australian TJR. I love that. I actually love that, but I'm better. Like, definitely better. And not a piece of shit who rug pulls his community on meme coins. I find your content is notable, but more info. What? You just sit there. Notable, but more info. What do you, I don't even know what the you're talking about. Not gonna lie. In the Health Plus, well, we were keeping an eye on this one, but I don't know what the fuck it's doing now. Like, I don't know. I looked at it for 3.5 seconds and then just gave up, which, I mean, it's already had a pretty big fucking push. Like a pretty big push. And if it was me, I'd be targeting these areas, which it's already done. Hold on. You know, I'd be targeting there. And we've already had quite a big push up, whether or not it's going to go down here or continue to come back up. I presume there's going to be a lot of buying pressure in this anyway, so it'll probably get up here. So maybe, I don't know. I don't do long-term investing. The only thing I suggested fucking ages ago was ETH. Oh, that's United Health. United Health. Oh shit! Burn City Bullies sent 2 fucking donuts. Holy fuck. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for following too. I really appreciate that. Very much so. I don't think I've ever... Have I seen you in here before? I really appreciate that. Small streamer. I appreciate gifts. So thank you very much. I just want to be first on the list, nothing weird. notable. Let's Google it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, but like, I don't know, I just felt like that was a weird placement in the sentence. You know what I mean? I don't know. It just felt like a weird placement in the sentence, but more info. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that was a compliment or not, but thank you. Anyway, I'll take it. Stop swearing, that's how you got suspended. Get fucked. No, it was from, swearing wasn't why I got suspended. It was talking about a specific community group of people who engage in male, female stuff. I was saying words that apparently TikTok doesn't like, and that's why I was getting suspended. So no more of those, and I'm trying not to even talk about it because it hurts everything when I get suspended. So yeah. Tell us more about trading. I got asked to create a live fix spread. Live fix spread. A live account with fixed spread. What up, Lucas? How are we? What is it? I explained that. How short are your investments? Short. Very short. What do you mean? Fuck, your terminology is killing me. Like, in terms of a time period? Is that what you're talking about? Like, how quick am I in and out? Burn City Bullies, thank you very much for following me. Krispy Kreme donuts. What? I'm actually getting, I'm gonna have a brain aneurysm. Where even am I? I'm coming for the top spot, guys. Get double tapping. Let's have a look. You're coming. You're getting up there. And thank you again very much for these boys. They're 30 each? Holy shit. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's awesome. I just said this spamming the likes is fucking low-key could shoot for the 100K. We got the 100K yesterday. We got the 100K yesterday. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't fucking believe it. You got the job? Bro, wait a second. Oh, I was talking to you in fucking, oh my God. I was like, why isn't that in my Discord? Did you actually? Good fucking job. I was talking to you in TikTok DMs. That's why I was like, I was going through my DMs on Discord. I was like, huh? But yeah, no, I remember. Good job. Good job. Fucking, we love that. Get it going. Work hard. Rose is lit up. 11 roses. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you very much, Burn City Bullies. Fucking absolutely fantastic. The account that you blocked last night got suspended. Good. I can't even remember why I blocked them, but yeah. Damn, man, sorry for liking that. No, what the fuck? No. I never said that's bad. Thank you for liking the live. Just absolutely insane. 5K likes is fucking a lot of work, so I appreciate that a lot. Don't be sorry. What the fuck? You're helping me out, and that's, you know, you're supporting the stream, and I appreciate that a lot. And Burn City Bullies is fucking going nuts with the gifts, and I really appreciate that too. Did you get your tea last night after the 100k likes? Lol. Dinner? Is that what you're talking about? My dinner? Tea? Tea time? Is that what you're talking about, Michelle? What up, Hooper? How are we? How's it trading? They were being weird, so you blocked them and I muted them. Yeah, that's right. They're doing some shit. 41k fucking likes. Hold on. Oh, yeah, it's more caffeine. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I did. Well, I didn't eat till 2. Sorry. I didn't eat till like, it's probably like 2 a.m. Bit after 2 a.m. Because I had to slow cook for 6 hours. So, yeah. It was, I don't know, 2 something. But it was good. It was good. It was actually really good. Give me a visualization on how good your life has been since not working in 9 to 5. Love you, bro. Sure, absolutely. I love you too. Not working a 9 to 5 is just something like, how do I explain this? Have you guys ever like woken up and been like, fuck, I just cannot be fucked going to work today. I'm going to have the day off. And then you call in sick or whatever. And then you just have the day to do whatever the fuck you want, right? There's just the feeling of just doing, like, you don't need to fucking, I don't need to call anyone. I don't need to talk to anyone. I don't need to fucking do shit, right? It's like that every day. So you just wake up and it's like, all right, let's get whatever we need to get done today and fucking, like, there's no, and on Sundays, like the Sunday night, like, anxiety to go to work on Monday and knowing you have like a full week of work ahead of you is like, there is no worse feeling in the world, I reckon, how shit that is. It is the fucking worst. I used to hate that. And that's gone, and I haven't had that for a very long time. And but I remember the feeling, and I'll very, very, very vividly remember the feeling of Sunday nights and just feeling like I just can't do this shit anymore. Like, it's just, what's the fucking point? You're working for some fucking company and they don't even give a shit about you. Like, they replace you in 5 seconds. It's true. And even like your work friends or whatever, and people that you are with all day, every day, they'll move on too. You know, it's so hard to keep genuine connections with people at work because they got their own fucking busy lives and shit. You're just forgotten about, and it'll always be like that. Unless you're with some super, super small family company or some shit. But even then, they'll replace you in a week. Even, I'll tell you guys a story, right? I'll tell you guys a fucked up story. So I used to work at a place. I won't say where, but I worked at a place, and the person who sat next to me went to the toilet, came back, and was saying that there was some noises coming out of the person in the bathroom next to them. It was a chick, and she was having a brain aneurysm. She didn't know, like the chick that was sitting next to me didn't know, but the person in there had a brain aneurysm and died. And then it was like half the people were at work the next day, half of them weren't, and then within a week or two she was replaced, and then nobody ever spoke about it ever again. It was fucking scary. It was like, Jesus. Like, this fucking person just died at work, and you know, it's like a day off or whatever, and there was like maybe 1 or 2 people sad, but everybody else just got on with their shit. It's fucking terrifying. So yeah, there you go. Bit of bit of a, I don't even know, explanation. Pressure cookers are way faster for slow cooking. Never used one. Why are you streaming outside? Aren't you cold? Goddess of Lightning, thank you for sharing. Bro, Nasdaq is doing funny things right now. I wouldn't say... there's anything too crazy. Bit of a sell-off. It's not, I mean, there's nothing notable, but a tiny bit of a sell-off. I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's pre-market, so it probably won't be that much movement. Dead said so true. It is, yeah. Self-employment is bliss. It is. It's just different. You just feel better. Oh, fuck, man. Sorry, guys. Chest is cooked. You double tappers are good. My thumb has abs now and is tired. 45k fucking likes. Insane, man. I remember literally a couple of weeks ago, it was like struggles to get to 10k. Struggles to get to 10k by now. And now we're at fucking 45k? Like, what the fuck? Yeah, I set up my own thing, but the stress doing 20 jobs in, I sent my blood pressure to 180. Had 8 months off to recover, but now have PTSD about my career. I spent 20 years getting good at lol. Yeah, Jesus. Bring up PL last 12 months. No, I don't show that. I show percentages and shit. Plus, I've had like 6 different accounts with multiple different fucking brokers that'd be impossible to track down. Sorry, Mark Gleno, who's I don't think I've ever seen in here before. And it's probably a fake account just coming in to talk shit. Let's wait for it. Do it. Do it. But I can tell you I average around 7.5% per month. And if you want to go look at the majority of my profits and losses before I got in trouble and got told not to do that anymore, they're on my Discord. So you can literally go look at them. I should have deleted them ages ago though, because I did get in trouble, but there's lots of regulations here for doing the shit that I do. You need fucking licenses and blah, 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 blah. So, yeah. Sorry. Fucking hell. Harry White, thank you very much for following. Licenses, yeah, you need an AFSL. An Australian Financial Services license. To basically be doing... like to be able to give out general advice and shit like that. That's why I say quite frequently, and I have disclaimers, when you join the Discord, you have to agree to those things, that it's for entertainment purposes only and fucking all this bullshit, to protect myself. And I had to, because this fucking guy, I'll tell you, and I've told this story a couple of times. When I first started, right, literally like I first started doing live streams. I think it was like my 3rd or 4th live stream ever, right? This fucking guy came in carrying on about all this shit and fucking made my life hell and was fucking finding all my personal accounts because I blocked him because he was just being annoying as fuck and taking away from the stream, right? And I showed this guy everything he fucking wanted to know and fucking blah, blah, blah. Like, he was trying to test me and I was answering every question. And then he DM'd me like all these fucking people that he'd reported and fucking, it was just a nightmare. And then I spoke to my solicitor about it and asked can I do this sort of thing? Am I going to get fucking, not charged, but fined and fucking forced to bankruptcy and all this shit? And they just gave me a list of do's and don'ts. So I just would adhere to them. And if that means that I can't show my fucking money and all that shit, I can only show simulated shit, then whatever. Like, if people don't like that, I don't give a shit. Like, I literally don't give a shit. This shit doesn't pay my bills. So I don't really care. Licenses to install kitchens and bathrooms. I mean, yeah, you need licenses for fucking everything. But yeah, that's why everything's just for entertainment purposes only. Gotta move these color TVs. Huh? Foreskin reveal. You've asked this before. I don't have it. I can't show ya. Shit's long gone. Fuck. I've been drinking so much water and gland reveal. What the fuck? Get out of here. God, that flare didn't do much, eh? It did for a little bit. We got it, we hit like 25 people or some shit. Now it's gone. Dark Note, thank you very much for following. I appreciate that. Yeah. I don't really care if people like talk shit on here or are speculative or fucking whatever. If anyone can ask anything knowledge-wise about anything and I'll most likely know it. Obviously, I'm not a fucking super genius that knows every single intricate detail of fucking macroeconomics and fucking, I don't know everything, but I know a lot and I know what the fuck I'm doing. And ask anyone in the mentorship and they'll fucking tell you that, yeah. We actually have that open. No, wrong broker. I think it's a long for sure. I don't trade fucking options, but I think it's a long. I'd be targeting these areas up here. And I mean, even all-time highs. Shit reverses all the time. The thing is this is just a catastrophic drop. Like, absolutely catastrophic. And just because there was this little blip here, it doesn't mean that it can't plummet back down. So, but if it was me, long. And I was going to throw some money in an account and long it. Here's a good question. Is the trading data delayed by the trading company or real time from the stock exchange? That's a great question that I don't actually know the answer to, I don't believe. I actually don't think I know the answer to that. I won't lie. Is it delayed? I'll look into that because I actually don't know the answer to that question. I've never got that question ever in my life. So I don't know. Cakey cake, sorry. Might have to Google that one. It shouldn't be. No, it can't be. It can't be because, no. It can't be because when news drops, think about when news drops. No, there's no way there'd be like delays, maybe milliseconds, second delays, because they all, a lot of the brokers are using the same exchanges, right? And they can't, it literally can't be, because think about news drops and shit like that. When there is a news event, it will pump like crazy or dump like crazy. There's fucking, no, it can't be delayed. And if so, it would be milliseconds. Yeah, no, I don't think so. No. So actually, yes, the answer to that is no. Where do you reckon Euro odd is headed? Let's have a look. I like these questions. And let's see if I'm in Euro odd also. I am. Yes. I can't see us getting back up here at all. I feel, personally, I cannot see us back up here at all. Obviously, this is tariff Trump shit, right? Absolute fucking horrible. It's just fucked. I can see us seriously. Depends if we're happy trading around this area. So, shit, that's terrible fucking. Let me slow that down a bit. I could see us happily sitting around, you know, around last week's high, last week's low, and just bouncing around here. It does depend on, we got Euro news. We got Euro news tomorrow. So we can, you know, if we get positive news for the Euro, we're going to struggle to maintain this level. We'll probably pop and maybe sit around here. If we get negative Euro, we're coming back down here, and I would presume we're going to, it's like we were happy trading around this area. We're pretty close. So we might even get, I mean, this is just standard resistance turned into support. We kind of broke down into that level, but we back up. I guess that was probably just taking out a bunch of people's fucking stops and shit, but we're either going to stick around here or stick around here, or we're going to go back up and then probably stick around here. I can't see it staying up here though. I cannot see it trading at that level for very much longer. That's what I predict, is hopefully negative Euro and then happy trading around here. Because it seems somewhat happy in here. It doesn't want to stay up. That's too much. You can't trade at that level. Yeah. This is COVID. These are COVID levels. We need to come back to these levels down here at some point. Long term, at least. This is where it's happiest. It's my opinion. I mean, it depends how short term you're going, but it all depends on what's going to happen tomorrow with PMIs. Nice, good job. I don't do options, no. Yeah, a company I used to use in the UK delayed by like 15 minutes. That's fucked. Jesus. Just ask ChatGPT. Perhaps by Mills. Yeah. Right, that's exactly what I thought. If you Google City Index trade delay, it's ridiculous. I'll have a look at that later. You don't know what you're talking about. Please, please, please. Oh, damn it. That sucks. That sucks. Who hurt you? If this happens, if that happens, this might happen. Oh, so you have insider knowledge to financial institutions, banks, hedge funds, pension funds. You know what they're gonna do? You know what they're gonna do? Of course it's a might happen. Are you fucking stupid? Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. We're waiting on news. There's not going to be much movement with no news. Fuck me. Yes, Black Bull has no data delay. The UK is so corrupt, man. That's fucked. Do you have any work, daily tasks that AI can help you do? Not really. I don't really use AI that much, to be honest. Possibly though, actually possibly, but I don't use it. How does the trade work and how much will you make? That's a super vague question. Oh, please tell me that guy's still in here. I want to debate. Come on. Please. What are you trading tonight? Just Forex, mate. Nothing crazy. I'm in a bunch of positions waiting. He must be a hater. Yeah, I get them all the time. I love 50k likes. Thank you guys very much. Who's been fucking going hard? Burn City Bullies. Number 1. Almost 8k. Fucking hell. Artist still up there. Charles Oliver Burner. Migsy. Zach. Goddess of Lightning. Fuck, man. Yeah, I get haters all the time. I love it. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about. It's like, oh, you fucking faggot. I mean, no. Hey, bro. I'll be back. I gotta piss. No! No! God damn it! Fuck! Trading on Earth, low. Sorry, I just got suspended.